In 2013, my 2000 Alpha Ideal Dometic model DM2852 refrigerator was replaced. However, the model has changed somewhat, as the latch is not as robust as the old design. The holding mechanism is a small light gray rectangle, broke under normal usage almost immediately. Trying to explain the problem was difficult, and photos didn't show enough detail. In other words, they thought I was nuts. Well, I may be, but I still want my refrigerator fixed. It is very difficult to physically take your fifth wheel to a repair shop for them to see the problem, and this time I wasn't familiar with RV repair, people that come to you. After going to several RV shops and spending hours on the phone, I found the part shown here. Domentic sent it to me for free. I didn't replace the part, but I'm trying to relieve the heartburn and the research of other RVers, so I decided to go ahead with this video. The new trend, as you see in this new Alpha Gold, is refrigerators that you might buy for your house are now in the higher end fifth wheels. Like I said before, this was a warranty project, and unless I'm out in the middle of nowhere under dire straits do I ever try to take on a warranty project, because when you do, your warranty is then gone. But for those of you who are out of warranty, here are some diagrams that I got from Domentic that you can look at. You can also go online and get the original PDF. What they told me at the RV shop was that they pulled out the front of the refrigerator, reached around, and in the slot, they pulled out the old part and put in the new part. You have to take a look and make sure you have the correct side where it needs to go. Any questions, complaints, or praises, please contact me at fred@myrvadventures.com.